Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the free AI image generator. So I'm going to show you the best completely free platforms that will turn your ideas into stunning just by using prompt. Here I'm going to use Google AI Studio, or you can say Nano Banana, and also ChatGPT. So in Google AI Studio, you can just here click on try Nano Banana in here, or just go to chat and choose images in here. Then you can choose between these three: Nano Banana, Imagen 4, and Imagen 4 Ultra. I'm going to just use the Nano Banana, and here you can just enter the prompt at the bottom screen here. Let's say I'm going to create an image of a cyberpunk rabbit in portrait Google's with backlight. Hit on run and just wait for the result. So I'm going to use the same prompt in ChatGPT, and let's see the result. Okay, so here is the result from Nano Banana or Google AI Studio, and let's see the result from ChatGPT. So while we wait for the image from ChatGPT, I'm going to generate another image in here on Google AI Studio. Let's say I'm going to create a vintage photo of a Victorian family with their strange pet. So I'm going to, let's say, Brontosaurus. You can just hit on run again and wait for the result. So here is the result for the second prompt. If you like it, you can just tap on download in here, and it will be saved to your device. Let's see from ChatGPT. It is still not done yet. Okay, so here is the result from ChatGPT. And again, if you like with the result, you can just tap on download. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.